Good afternoon, dear students. It's me, Sharmila Khatri, in front of you to teach you mathematics for grade 5. So, are you ready to learn with me? Of course, right? All of you, let's see this one. We are going to learn in mathematics what things we are going to learn. Okay? First one is, it's a geometry portion. If you have lots confusion, please think about it. We are going to learn on it, okay? Mathematics, okay, what is the first things? I'm going to taught you over here. See here. Okay, what things we are learning it today? Just a slight review, okay? So, we have learned it from grade 2, 3, 4 and this year for grade 5 also we are learning the same thing. First, let's have a short view on it. Are you ready to see the short view? Okay, so short view on it are, so what do you mean by angles? How many types of angles are there? Okay, so before starting the angles, I just want to make you clear about what do you mean by point? What do you mean by a dot? Okay, I have got the answer. See here. Dot. It's just simply represented by a single point. You have point, you have done in your copy also. In small childhood, have you remember something that tracing point, dot line is given in your notebook. You have to join that line and you have to make the figure of the animals, birds and color. You have to color on it. Have you remembered that one? Of course, same like that. Dot mean it's a single point. Dot mean what? It's a single point. And see, line segment. After that we are coming to the line segment. Line segment mean what? Have you remember? Okay, think about it. Where two ending points are there. When two ending points are there and in the middle there will be straight line. Two sides there will be end point and in the middle there must be a straight line to join that two points, okay? So that point we call it as a line segment. There are two types of line. What are they? Think about it. They are straight line and the curved line. Straight line and the curved line. Straight line mean no any ending points. Straight line mean just go straightly but there is no any ending point. Okay. Now next, what I've just said before. Yes, it's curved line. What I said, it's curved line. And curved line mean what? Curved line mean there is two ending points, but the line is not in a straight way. Okay, it may be around, just like here I have drawn in my figure. Half circle, you can say it, you can make it. Okay, curve way. It's a curved line, but it have a two ending points. Now next that. Have you learned about ray? What type of ray you have learned? Oh, sun's ray. Okay, sun mean what? A point, one object from where we will get heat and light, right? Okay, sun is one point from where we get the rays, sunlight. Right, warm, we will feel warm when the suns will come. If there is no sun, then we feel cold, right? Is it? Yes. Okay, that means sun is one point and we will get the ray, light, that is one half ending point. Sun is the point, main object, and we will get the sunlight, that is rays passing all over. There is no any point, ending point. Is there any ending point? Okay, no ending point. That means it's one have ending point and another doesn't have an ending point. So we can show it by an arrow. So it's called a ray. It's just a review of grade 3, 4. Okay. So grade 5 students, now let's enter to the topic. First of all, you must know about angles, which we have learned in grade 4. Do you know what do you mean by angles? Tell me. Okay. Remember it? Think about it. Okay. If you know, very good. If you don't know, please come and join with me and try to recall it once again. Okay. So, here angles mean when two straight lines meet at a one point. Can you see this in this figure? This is straight line, one is straight line, and this is down one, another is straight line. Have you seen in this figure? Good job. These two straight line when meet in a one single point as a O, then we call it as an angle. Angle might be small, might be big, might be just like straight of our arm. Can you see? I found this is also straight and this hand also going up. It's straight. Have you noticed? Okay. So, or straightly you can make your line. So, how many types I have said you? Altogether, how many types of angles I have told you? Have you remembered? You must need to remember it. First one is acute angle and it is smaller in size. Got. Acute mean what? It is smaller in size. So, we call acute angle. Okay. How much does an acute angle have? Have you noticed about the degree? Okay. It have angle which have less than 90 degree down. Okay. Less than 90 degree, then we call it as an acute angle. If it is less than 90 degree, then we call it as an acute angle. Okay. Greater than 0, less than 90. Then we call it as an acute angle. Then after what will come? Okay. Right angle, just like in L shape. Capital L. Have you noticed how we will write the capital L? Okay. One up a straight line and down one straight line, right? And there will be one corner point. Have you noticed? If you haven't noticed, please check it right now. You can notice over there. So, write down the L. So, L, it's a right angle. And it will be exactly 90 degree. It's same like square. Square one angle, it will be exactly 90 degree or not? Yes, just like that. Right angle here in L shape also, one corner, we can get it a right angle. Not only this much, we have to move the next one. Okay, third angle, types of third angle. What is that? Third angle? Okay, a bit bigger than the right angle. Yes, a bit bigger than the right angle. We can give a definition as the angle which is exactly more than 0 degree and less than 180 degree, or we can say more than 90 degree as well. It will be more than 90 degree and it seems like half body sleeping. When we take our sun bath, we used to sleep like this way or not? Yes, our half body will be bent, right? So, can you see this sleeping position? Can you feel it? Yes, while taking a sun bath, after swimming, we will take the sun bath. Have you remembered that one? Yes. And we will sleep in this type of bed, right? So, see here, over here also it will form the obtuse angle, see? Wherever we will go, we can find out the different types of angles. See here, it says more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay. Okay, then let's start the next topic. Shall I move? Next topic is what? Next topic is, it's a straight angle. Making whole hands straightly. Can you make it? Okay, I will make it this side. I have made it straight. Can you make it? Please make it. If you know how to make it straight, can you make it straight? If you want to stand straightly, then what I have to do? I have to make my backbone straight, right? Like this way, I have to stand straightly. Is it? Okay, it means what? It means it have 180 degree angle. It got 180 degree angle. All the things are straight. Done. Now then, shall we go to the next angle? Okay, slightly let's do the review. Okay, then after we move to the reflex angle. We have done this one: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle in grade 3. And in grade 4, we are adding 2 more angle. What are they? Okay, in grade 4, we have added 2 angles, that is more angle, that is a reflex angle and a complete turn angle. Have you remember? A reflex angle and a complete turn angle. See here a reflex angle. If I make it straight over here, then it became a straight angle, right? If it is coming from here and bended its body, then what will happen? We call it reflex angle. So, those angle having the size more than 180 degree. If the size have more than 180 degree, then we call it as a reflex angle. Okay. Now, then after it come to complete turn angle. It's a complete angle mean became one full circle. Is it? A full angle circle. See here. Complete turn angle mean those angle having the size exactly 360. To complete one day, how many hours will be needed? That's the question for you. Have you noticed the clock is, the hands inside the clock are moving in circular way, right? Yes. Over there, have you noticed how the hands are moving over there? Have you noticed it or not? If you haven't noticed, please notice from today. Okay. There we can see it's a complete turn. We can find out the complete turn angle from your own words also. There also there is. You can do it. Okay, now let's have a slight view of this one, and we are going to learn about different pairs of angles. Then after we will learn different pairs of angle. Okay, first let's review. We have learned about dot, no doubt, line segment, then after straight line, curved line, then after coming ray, and angles, defining angles, angles type, right? Then let's define it. The angles which are less than 90 degree are called acute angle. So, they are also called smaller angle, right? So, next is the angle which are exactly 90 degree or having the size 90 are called right angle. Now, next is the angle which are greater than 90 are called the obtuse angle. Similarly, that one, we are moving the straight angle. I am doing just a review, okay, a bit faster I became, right? Please listen me, I am just doing review, okay? So, straight angle mean it's an angle which is exactly 180 degree, it's called a straight angle. Then reflex angle are those angle having the size more than 180 and less than 360. So, we can see here complete angle. Complete angle mean it's a complete turn angles are those angles having the size exactly 360 degree. These all are the review of grade 3 and 4 which are important for us in grade 5 as well. So, you have to remember these things before starting the topic of grade 5. Okay, I hope you understand it very well. Now, shall we move to the next topic over here? Okay, next topic is different pairs of angles. The main topic for grade 5 we have to learn is different pairs of angle. First one, adjacent angle or linear angle. First of all, I will tell you adjacent angle. What do you mean by adjacent angle? Adjacent angle mean two angles are adjacent. Two angles are adjacent when they have a common vertex and a common arm between them. If they have a common vertex, O is here. Have you noticed here O? Common vertex is O and common arm. Which one is the common arm? See, OA also arm, OV also arm, OC also arm over here. But which one is the common arm? Have you seen? Okay, the common arm is OC. Common arm is OC. Common vertex is O and the common arm is OC. So we call it as a adjacent angle. If there is a common arm and common vertex, then we call it as a adjacent angle. Then, so how to write the name of the adjacent angle? Angle AOV. Angle AOV is adjacent to BOC as they have one common vertex O and one common arm is OC. Do you understand? Okay, well, I understood that you understand it well. So, linear pair. What type of angle is known as the linear pair? Okay, see here, two angles. Two angles. Which angles are called two angles? Angle EOD, angle DOF. There are two angles, okay? First one is what? EOD. EOD and DOF. Two angles are there. When two angles which are adjacent, these are also called adjacent angle. Don't we get confused, okay? Because they have a common arm and common vertex as well. So these two angles which are adjacent and sum is 180 degree. Its sum will be, if I add this EOD and DOF, okay, if I add these two angles, then the sum will be 180 degree. So what we call for, if their sum is 180 degree, then we call it as a linear pair. Do you understand? So let's move to the next topic. First one is adjacent angle. Now second one. What is the second one? It's a complementary angle. Now what is the second one? It's a complementary angle. Two angles are called complementary angle if sum of their measurement is 90 degree or a right angle. See here in this figure. Have you seen this figure? In this figure, see GFH and HFE. There are two angles, okay? And have you noticed it is first GFE is in a L shape. It is in rectangle shape. Is it rectangle shape? No, only in one line is the rectangle. It is in L shape. It is in L shape. So here two angles are formed, and if I add 65 and 25, then it will be, their sum will be obviously 90 degree. If this type of angles will come, then we call it as a complementary angle. Do you understand? So angle GFH is the complement of HFE. So as the sum of angle GFH plus HFE equals to 90 degree. Do you understand? Adjacent angle means having a common vertex and common arm. And here in complementary, what we have to remember? Complementary means if two angles sum will be 90 degree or a right angle, then it will called as a complementary angle. Their sum will be exactly 90 degree. And now next, move to the next question. That is, another topic is supplementary angle. Have you seen this one? It's called a supplementary angle, and the figure is exactly like a linear pair. So the line will be straight. The angles will form in a straight line. Okay, the angle will form in a straight line, and here also I have written PQS is equal to PQS plus and SQR. These are two angles formed in one straight line. There are two angles formed in a straight line. Okay, so two angles are called supplementary angle if the sum of their measurement is 180 degree. Then 180 degree. Have you noticed, if I add 120 and 60, then what will be your sum? Can you guess it? Yes? Okay, tell me the sum. What is the sum will be there? Okay, 120 plus 60 degree, obviously it will be 180 degree, right? So, that means if the sum of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. So, we call it as a supplementary angle. Do you understand? Complementary angles mean always their sum will be 90 degree. Supplementary mean always their sum will be 180 degree. If there are forming 6-7 angles also from the same straight line, it doesn't matter. Okay, if number of angles will form in a straight line also, it doesn't matter. All their sum will be exactly 180 degree. Do you understand? So now next is what? Now shall I move to the vertically opposite angle? Yes. Okay, I'm moving to the next, that is vertically opposite angle. Okay, in vertically opposite angle, see here in the figure, the angle which are opposite to each other. The angle which are opposite mean, have you seen this angle and this angle? These two angle, up and down. These two angle are opposite with each other. And this angle, bigger one and bigger one, these two are opposite to each other. If the opposite angles are equal to each other, then we call it as a vertically opposite angle. So here, the angle which are opposite to each other at a point of intersection, the point, middle point, crossing part, okay, crossing point, we call it as an intersecting point. Okay, then intersection of two lines is called vertically opposite angle. So, they always have equal measures. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and AOD always equal to COV. This angle only in this figure I am saying, okay. If this type of crossing intersecting figure are coming, then you have to understand that upper and down one, this one and this one figure are opposite to each other, and this one figure is, they are opposite, so they will be equal. So can we write it? If here is A, or you can see here, if I write here A, then this angle also it will be A. If I write here B, this angle will be also B. Do you understand? I hope you understood it very well. So, anything left to review you? Okay, once again, I think there is no problem for these angles. Now, let's review it, different pairs of angles. Ready? Different pairs we have learned adjacent angle. In adjacent angle, what we have learned? If the angle have a common vertex and common arm, then we call it as a adjacent angle. Okay, linear pair means it's a straight line where we will get 180 degree as a sum. Then after we have learned about complementary angle, right? In complementary angle, what we have learned? When the sum is exactly coming 90 degree, okay, angles form over there. If their sum will be 90 degree, then we call it as a complementary angle. Not only that one, we have learned about supplementary angle. In supplementary also same thing. If the sum of their angle will be 180 degree, then we call it as a supplementary angle. Now last is vertically opposite angle. In vertically opposite, what will happen? Upside, downside equal, side and side they are equal. So these are the questions, and you can solve this type of question at your home. So see the question. Question is, copy the figure and the name it. Can you copy this type of figure in your own notebook? You can use your own book, okay? So you can give the name, whether they are adjacent, supplementary, vertically, complementary, whatever. You can give the answer by yourself. So can you find out the complement angle, supplementary angle? Yes. If I give you the question 40, what is the complement of 40 degree? Can you give me the answer? Yes. Okay. I hope you understand it well. Thank you. Next time, with the next classes, next session, I will be back to you. Thank you and have a nice day.